Brake repair job, 1970 Volkswagen van, removal of nut retaining clip, bearing and the drum. Video 6, 6C. This is the second commentary, because I noticed something on the first commentary that I left out. This is normal. Let me fast forward this. Let's scoot through here. All right, we're get to about here. Whoop. Okay, that washer comes off. Got it. Okay. That bearing comes out. See that bearing? How it's tapered and goes in? That's in the discussion. There's another bearing. This one, this bearing, is tapered down and going in and goes on the inside of this area. There's another bearing pretty much just like it, tapered as well, going on the other side pointing this way. So there's two bearings. It's as if you took two witches' hats or two orange parking cones, cut off the top halves, right, and then pointed them at each other. Yeah, how's that, right? It's like you put the most pointy end, the pointy-most ends, pointing towards each other. And it is on those that this wheel spins. Now, you'll see it. I had to watch the video again. See, I'm trying to make these videos user-friendly. Not perfect, but... Now, the wheel drum comes off. And see this? Whoop. See this little area in here? It's like that on the other side. I just didn't show that. That pulls it off, right? And when I set it down, you can just see it. Hold on. Hold on. The other bearing is going to sit on here. It's in the later video, but just so you know, it's going to sit here, and it's going to point towards the camera. Right? It sits on there, and the pointy end comes towards the camera, so it's the opposite, and you'll see it, of the other bearing right there. Whoop. Let's back that up just a little bit. There. That's the bearing. That's the same... That's another bearing just on the other side. Capiche? You got it? It's just poking in that side. Sorry I did not mention that before. You are going to want to know that. That should just pop right out, and it's going to rest on that inner race. There, see it? That's another bearing. I'm so sorry I didn't mention that. Little bearing right there, and it slides in there. Actually, what you do is you're going to slide it on the axle. You got to put a bunch of grease in it, and you're going to slide it on the axle. And then you're going to slide the wheel on top of that. That's in a couple of videos further down. All right, but I forgot to mention it here, and you're going to want to know about that. Thanks for your patience.